Hi everyone, I have here this computer, this laptop. It's don't turn on, but I think it's because the power button is in bad shape. So don't work, don't make that click. So I go start to disassemble the computer and see the power button to see if the machine starts working. Let's open this one. This is the hard drive. Let's remove it. This one is where are the RAM boards. This is the RAM. This is the Wi-Fi, wireless. Let's remove the CD player, the CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, whatever ROM. This one is to remove the cover. We got some numbers and letters like F2. We got here F2. This means the screw only have 2 millimeters deep, 2 millimeters, and on this side we have F8, F5. This is always the millimeters of the screw. Make sure you don't miss any screw or you can broke the cover or the board. Let's open it. More screws here. I missed something. I don't know what. But I missed something. What I miss? This one. Let's take the cover. I miss another one. I don't know where. Where are you? I have here. Oh, there you are. Come on. Leave me open, you. Come on. Come to daddy. Come on, jackass. Here you are. It's open. It's open. It's what we get. Oh my god. The LEDs fuck it up. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. This is too many light. Oh, okay. No, it's good. This is the power LED from here. Oh, actually is only the cover of the LED. This is the glass of the LED, and the LED little board is here. This is the power button, and this is the I don't know. This is the plastic cover of the LED of the button. Let's see if this can power up. I have here the power supply. Turning on. Power supply is on. Let's see what happened. Yes. Of course, this don't boot. Let's see what is happening. Let's take some voltages. Are you getting some shit here? Nope. Oh, Okay, nothing. And no, nothing. Ground stuff, ground. Maybe here. Okay, we have 3.35 volts in this ground. And here we got nothing, ground 2, and I need more light. Of course, the problem wasn't the power button, but maybe it's fuck up. It's broken anyway. It's broken. This is what ground 3.35. Okay. Oh. This is upside down. .3 volts, 3.24 volts, 5.1. Well, let's keep disassembling this. This is the videos. This is the LAN strip. This is the van or the power. No, this is the screen. This is the power. Screen off. One off. And screws off. This is the power stuff. This is, I don't know what this is. I need to unplug this. This tiny stuff. No wire. Another wire here. Battery wire. Almost. Okay, there you go. Yay! Finally the board, the motherboard. Don't want lost you. You can get out of here. This is the Wi-Fi. Get out. Let's put this back together. This is the BIOS battery. This one is the BIOS battery. This is always a battery. This processor, graphics, need power cable and power button and all this brown stuff, brown color, is a conductive. This is a conductive layer, and the black on the black color. It wasn't. This is funny. Conductive, not conductive. Conductive, not conductive. Conductive, not conductive. Great. Power stuff, speakers, video, bad stuff, let's put this in place for just in case I forget. I forgot what the fuck is that, or where is that. I gonna need the power button later. Power stuff. I get the button from the plastics. This is the on-off switch and the power LED. This is the power LED. This is this brown square is resistance is a resistance or something for the LED. You guys can see here. Anyway, I already tested the connector with the multimeter and the datasheet. Everything is right, so let's try plug this in. Feed this baby. And let's see if the color spin. We are cool. Great. This LED don't turn on because it's broken, but we have these ones here. It's working. Lights is on. Let's join this all together again. This power connector is broken through the plastics here. Is broken through. Let's clean up this and hot glue it. You are here. And let's see the other side. Other side is great. See, it's broken. speaker on top, and not really doing anything. Okay, now he's doing something. He's holding this. What do we have here? We have the power cable, the sound cable, all ready to be connected. Another. Let's give a little brush. Let's put the motherboard on the place again, on place. Sorry, I got full card. I got full SD card. Anyway, I already get this tiny fucking board in place. Now the wireless board. As you can see, it's broken here. You see? Right there is broken. Let's use some super glue or crazy glue. Man, it's almost dry. Also. Come on. Give me a break. Let me see if this is still working. If we got something on screen. Nothing bad, nothing explode. Fan is running. LED is on. Oh, we got something. Operation system not found. Not found. Operating system not found. Yay, it's alive again. Let's see if the glue it's already dry. It's good enough for a while, I guess. This is taking too long to dry. Okay, we go jump on time. Super glue don't want glue this, so I solved the problem with electric tape. 2 layers of electric tape just to hold the button in place. And now let's close it. Let's close this baby. we got here the power LED connected to the power source. So now let's start up. It's playing, lights on, and on the screen, yay, we got something. Wait for it. Sorry, this is in Portuguese. Keyboard. Oh, really? I don't connect the keyboard. I forgot to connect the keyboard. Oh god. I just screwed the keyboard in place. I forgot to connect this last piece. Come on, go inside. Just this. All right. Okay, plug it in. The computer is already on login page, and keyboard work. Yay, it's working. Real. And it's working. Thanks for watching.